Let's calculate the tangent of 165 degrees. So the way we apply this is by using a sum or difference rule. We're going to rewrite 165 degrees as the sum of two angles. You could do 90 degrees plus 75 degrees, but then 75 degrees I don't really know. I mean, we'd have to apply the formula again for 75 degrees, so that's not a great choice. A better choice might be something like 120 and 45, or 135 and 30. I'm going to go with 120 degrees and 45 degrees, but you could go with 135 and 30, and you would still get the same result. So the formula says tangent of the first angle plus tangent of the second angle over 1 minus the product of the tangents. So we say tangent of 120, tangent of 45, tangent of 120, and tangent of 45. So tangent of 120 on the unit circle, that is over here. It is a steep negative line, and I know off the top of my head that's negative square root of 3. If you don't, go ahead and double check that you can figure out what tangent of 120 degrees is. Tangent of 45 degrees is over here. That's a positive slope of 1. So we have, what is this? Negative square root of 3 plus 1 over 1 minus negative square root of 3 times 1. I'm going to move things around. The numerator I'm going to rewrite as subtraction. And the denominator is 1 plus, because negative times a negative. This is not a great final answer. What I'm going to do instead is I'm going to multiply by 1 minus the square root of 3 over 1 minus the square root of 3 to get to rationalize the denominator. I took the conjugate of 1 plus square root of 3 and multiplied by that in the numerator and denominator. So that will become what? 1 minus 2 square root of 3 plus square root of 3. Plus 3. That's our perfect square trinomial rule, or you could do 1, negative square root of 3, negative square root of 3, positive 3, and then combine like terms. We have in the denominator 1 times 1 is 1. I just said 1 times 1 is 2. Square root of 3 times negative square root of 3 is 3. And then we subtract those. We'll get 4 minus 2 square root of 3 over negative 2. So we divide that into both pieces. We get negative 2 plus square root of 3. So that is equal to what our original value was, tangent of 165 degrees. Tangent of 165 is negative 2 plus the square root of 3. And that is how we apply a tangent sum rule.